Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix error code 33 on your LG refrigerator. But first, what does error 33 mean? Error code 33 indicates a fault with the compressor relay. The following are some of the causes of this error. The compressor has failed or is damaged. Now, let's look at the best solutions to fix the error. Contact LG customer support. Unfortunately, LG doesn't provide any troubleshooting options for this error. If you encounter this error, you need professional assistance. To contact LG customer care, visit lg.com on your web browser. The link is in the description. Navigate to the support page and click Chat Support. On the next page, follow the automated prompts and provide all information requested, including the fridge model, the kind of issue you have, and when you purchased it. Next, a professional will be sent to assist you in replacing the compressor. If you're still within the warranty period, these repairs will be done free of charge. However, if you exceed the warranty period, you may incur additional charges. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.